A Lightboard lets you look directly at the camera while making your video recordings. Research shows that students connect more to our videos when they can see our expressions and our gestures. It's like we're teaching with them. Hi, I'm Stephanie McKean and I'm one of the TLX associates. Today I'm going to show you our Lightboard. So how does a Lightboard work? You stand behind a transparent piece of glass, you write on it normally, and in the editing process it gets flipped so that students can view your words left to right as they expect. So what can you use a Lightboard for? Walking through step-by-step procedures. So for example, if I was teaching math, I might be able to do 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. And as I solve it, I can explain to my students exactly what I'm doing. A diagram that you want to explain, a Lightboard's a great way to do it. You can annotate it as you go. If you want to explain a concept and it's better visual, you can show it on the Lightboard as well. Business success. Perhaps you want to talk about your costs and your revenue. You can even superimpose images or videos and reference them as you're writing. The Lightboard's a great way to make your videos more personal, more dynamic. So check it out today, meet with us in the TLX, and we can help you with the process.